Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're tackling Amazon stock, and we're going over the news and the chart data to figure out what's going on. Let's start with the news. Recent headlines indicate that Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Investment Management, has purchased millions of dollars worth of Amazon stock. This purchase comes as Amazon's stock price has been on an upward trend, reaching a high of $188 since August 5th. Analysts believe Amazon's stock price is benefiting from increased demand for its AWS cloud computing data services and the upcoming holiday retail sales season. However, the news also mentions that Amazon has shut down its Amazon Today service, which offered same-day delivery from brick-and-mortar stores. This move has raised some concerns among investors, as Amazon is known for its speedy delivery services. Another significant news item is Amazon's recent announcement of fuel discounts for Prime members at BP stations. This initiative is seen as a competitive move against Walmart's fuel discount program for Walmart Plus members. Now, let's dive into the chart data to see if we can find any correlations between the news and price movements. Looking at the one-day chart, we can see that Amazon has been on a relatively strong uptrend over the past year, particularly in the second half of 2024. The stock experienced a significant surge in August 2024, coinciding with Cathie Wood's initial purchase of Amazon stock. This rise can be attributed to the growing demand for AI and AWS cloud computing services. However, the recent news about the closure of Amazon Today, combined with broader market concerns, led to a slight pullback in September 2024. The stock's price has recovered slightly since then, but it's important to note that the closing of Amazon Today could continue to impact the stock's price. Now, let's switch to the one-hour chart and zoom in on the past few weeks, focusing on the period following Cathie Wood's recent purchase. We can see a distinct upward trend, suggesting that Cathie Wood's investment has had a positive impact on AMZN's price. The stock has broken through multiple resistance levels during this period, indicating a strong bullish sentiment. It's worth noting that the news about Amazon's fuel discount program also occurred during this uptrend, likely contributing to the positive momentum. However, we can also see a slight pullback in recent days, potentially linked to broader market concerns and investor uncertainty regarding the impact of Amazon Today's closure. Let's switch to the 15-minute chart to gain a more detailed perspective of the recent price action. We can see a few instances of bullish engulfing patterns in the last 24 hours, a technical indicator that suggests a potential upward price movement. This pattern, combined with the continued high trading volume, suggests that bullish sentiment is still prevailing. However, we can also see some signs of hesitation in the past few hours, with a few bearish engulfing patterns emerging. This indicates that some investors are taking a more cautious approach, likely influenced by the news about the closure of Amazon Today. Now, let's recap the key price levels to watch and discuss what conditions could reinforce their likelihood. On the one-hour chart, we can identify several key resistance levels, including around $186.50, $188.50, and $190. If Amazon breaks through these resistance levels, it could signal a strong upward trend and potentially lead to further gains. However, if the stock fails to break through these levels, it could indicate that bullish sentiment is waning. On the other hand, support levels appear to be around $184.50 and $186. A break below these support levels could signal a bearish reversal and potentially lead to further downward price action. To reinforce the bullish sentiment, we need to see continued high trading volume and sustained price action above the identified resistance levels. Positive news, such as the holiday shopping season or continued growth in AWS cloud computing, could also reinforce the bullish sentiment. However, if the stock fails to break through resistance, combined with negative news regarding Amazon's core retail business or broader market downturns, the bearish sentiment could prevail. Overall, the chart data suggests that Amazon has a strong potential for upward movement in the near term, but investors need to stay vigilant for potential reversals. It's important to continue monitoring the news and chart data for any significant changes that could impact the stock's price. Thank you for joining us on Explain the Charts, and remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insightful analyses.